Alright, let's go outside now. Let's see what the snow looks like. Our second blizzard in a week. Come on, Daisy. Come on, Tasha. Wow. Wow. It's about 4 o'clock. I shoveled a little this morning, but it's coming down hard again. There's the horse shed. Wow, it's pretty. It's just about 30 degrees. Good girl, Daisy. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl, good girl, good girl. Natasha, you want to go play? Go on, go on, go on, go on. Good girls, good girls. Good girls. Come on, Daisy. Let's go for a walk. Let's see what's out here. Let's see. Oh, how pretty. Everything's so pretty. The Ave.AVI are 25 years old. I planted them when they were 4 feet tall. There's the bird feeder. Daisy, Daisy, you leave them alone. Good girl, good girl. What a good girl, what a good girl. It's really quiet, hardly any traffic. Let's see how deep it is here. This looks like about 14 inches now, just from today, after we got 22 inches last Saturday. And it's almost time to start shoveling. Here's the shovel I use, but I have to wait until the snow stops. And this is how it goes. Tasha, Tasha, watch out, watch out. It goes pretty good, but it's very heavy snow. Very heavy and sticky. It will take about 5 hours to do the whole driveway. I know, because that's what it took last time. Nice snow. But I get into a steady rhythm and it feels good. It's 1,500 feet out to the road. And I guess I can't start until late tonight when the snow stops. So that's it for now. One last look. Look at these pretty trees. Wow. Wow. Isn't that pretty? What do you think? What do you think? You like the snow? Good girls, good girls. Okay, let's go back inside now. Let's go inside. Let's go inside. Good girls, good girls. Let's go inside. Daisy's always trying to trip me. You guys want to go for a run someplace, but we can't get out till I shovel the driveway. Oh, look at all the shovel here. Okay, that's the end of the movie.